Hi, I'm Chris. I'm a combat vet. I'm old. I'm playing Airsoft for fun and skills training. I make these videos to review my tactics and disseminate information. Welcome to Season 2 of Marine Plays Airsoft.
Clear, 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 clear. I'm at the hallway, it's clear.
I'm tired, so I'm real introspective, so I'm not commenting a lot.
Clear so far. I don't see any runners. There's one out here mid, to your right. Guy to our right's down. They might push this hallway soon. There's one watching this hallway. You got me. Hit. I'll be right back. He's still there. Thank you, sir. Still clear. Right here. There's one close left over here. Two right here. Two close left here. One run into you, Astro. You got him. You're good across on the right. One mid.
For anyone that's wondering,
Good shot.
in my past videos I had a Glock. I'm selling that to this Dylan guy. And I just built a Redline N7 Milsim HPA gun. The red dot mount is it's a unity mount. One of these. It's a 2.26 inch height, so you can actually look through the dot with a mask on. You know how with the masks,
Far right.
you have all this material, so you can't look down the sight. With the unity mount, it raises it high enough where you can actually see through the red dot. This is not a real unity mount. It's a $40 knockoff from China that I got off of Amazon. If you have a red dot and you play Airsoft with a mask, get one. Get the knockoff.
There's one backside of field on the right.
1 minute!
Whoa! Hey, you got me. Good shot. Come out. He might be coming in soon. There's one close on the left.
Like, this is the thing we should all be doing with our lights. Flash them high and then pop low. Or flash them low and pop high. Or flash them to the right and then pop on the left.
Would you be okay with switching to red team?
Yeah.
You guys were absolutely dominating the last game. I just want to thank you.
Got it.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, yo, I'm on your team now. Please don't shoot me. I'm gonna keep going mid-room. Hit! Good shot! They're inside. Very nice. Dead man coming out. They're in the mid room watching spawn. Inside here. Hit. Doorways not clear. Far window from the doorway. Coming behind you. Oh. Popping. Got me a hit. Hi, sir. You had me switch. Whew. All right, let's see what I learned. Working with teams, if they're watching the left, I should watch the right. They'll figure it out. And every button hook that I did, I could have just peeked the corner instead. I don't know why I kept doing it. It's fun for me. It's a bad habit though. And my weapons handling, I need to practice more. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't subscribe, just practice CQB at home.